Good evening, Professor. I am now searching for the evidence-based medicine assignment, clinical scenario number 1, which is teenagers trying to quit smoking, cognitive behavioral therapy compared to nicotine therapy. Now, first of all, I start by breaking it down. For the PEDA population, I have teenagers who smoke. What I'm trying to examine is the cognitive behavioral therapy. My comparison group is nicotine replacement therapy. The outcome is smoking cessation, stopping smoking. And I don't have a T for this type of question. Now this shall be searched using Medline. So I go for Ovid Medline. So I will start with the first that I want, which is cognitive behavioral therapy. It's loading. Not happen. Let me do search. I want to go for advanced. So I want to go for advanced, and I want to make sure that it maps. So I have cognitive behavioral. So I can click on it. I will not check the scope because it's straightforward what cognitive behavioral therapy is. The ones under it are relevant, so I will explode. I can focus, but I will not until I check additional hit. I shall continue and export. For my other mesh will be nicotine replacement. Double check it. So nicotine replacement therapy. Let me see. This one is relevant, I think. Let me check it. So there is nothing under it. The other one is tobacco use, tobacco cessation devices. So I have under it nicotine chewing gum. Let me check. So let me check the scope for smoking cessation. Okay. So I will be told this one will explode it because I remember there is nicotine gum under it. Course of the smoking cessation. Also check smoking cessation because of my search. I don't think there's a need to explode. So there's no need to explode. I will directly take it. All subheadings continue. I will combine my cognitive therapy, tobacco use, cognitive smoking cessation, combine them with median and get 58 result. Further limit to the population of interest, which is teenagers for this question. So additional, I will take age There is no teenager, but adolescent. I also can limit clinical queries because this is an evidence-based query. So I will choose maximizing sensitivity to more results, but not review. This is therapy. So therapy, and I will maximize sensitivity. Of course, I can also go to the publication type and choose clinical trials, but for now I will keep it as such to check results. If I have more than I need, I this additional. So I have 8 results. I think 8 results is very reasonable for me to go through them one by one. I will not apply any additional limits. I will keep sensitivity to the maximum. Thank you for your